This is a part whole, part unknown word problem. Liam has 300 marbles, 128 are blue, and the rest are green. How many green marbles does Liam have? And we would set this up in the traditional algorithm with 300 minus 128. And as you see, I have laid out 300 blocks here to represent the 300. One here and one here. Now, in the traditional algorithm, we would come over here, we would take that, turn that into a 10, and then turn that into a 9, and then turn that into a 2. But if you come over here with blocks, there's nowhere to turn any 1s into anything or any 10s into anything. So what we do is we come over here to the 100, and we're going to decompose it into 10 tens. And when we have decomposed it into 10 tens, we'll come over here and decompose the 10 into 10 ones, since we look around and there's still no ones that we can take from. So we're going to come over here and take out this. Now, if you see, when you're doing the traditional algorithm, when you make that 10 over here into 10, there, this is what it is talking about, these 10s right here. And when you come over here and make it to a 9, see how we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? That is what they're talking about over here. And see, there are 2 hundreds. So that would be where they did that in the place value. Now that we have enough ones we can take away from, let's come down here and take away eight ones. Now we're going to come over here and we'll see that we have 2, which 2 tens place would be 2 20s. So we're going to come over here to the 9s and we're going to take away 2 10s, which would represent 20. And we're going to come over here to the hundreds and we'll see that there is a 1. So we're going to come over here and take away the 1. And now that you see that we have 100 for 100, and we have 7 tens, and we have 2 ones, this would represent 172. So the answer would be 172. And if you come over here at the traditional algorithm, you can go back and see how we took with the blocks, how we decomposed the 100 to get to tens, and then decomposed the tens to get to the ones. And that is why when you do the traditional, you have a 10 up here, and then a 9 here, and then a 2. Really, it's just representing the place value of the hundreds and the place value of the tens and the place value of the ones. So that is, thank you.